morning, everyone. I'm Chad, and this is Ashley from ouRVan, our channel, and it's another new day. We are here in Craggy Wash. It's a BLM campsite just outside of Lake Havasu City, just north of Lake Havasu City by about a mile, and we're getting on the move today. Ashley, where are we going?
I don't know. You tell me.
Ashley doesn't know it yet, but we have a big surprise for Ashley today. She's going to be very excited, aren't you?
I don't know what it is. I just want to know.
I don't think she even believes there is a surprise.
I don't think there is. I think he's making it up.
It may or may not be made up. We will see. But we're heading north out of Craggy Wash, and instead of taking the main highways, we're going to jump slightly west. Jump over slightly west and get on Route 66 for a section. And anyone who knows Route 66 might know where we're going, north of Lake Havasu City, but Ashley doesn't.
I don't know. I don't even have a clue.
I hope it doesn't suck. All right. So we're going to hit the road, and we'll catch up with you on Route 66 in a little bit.
Wait, is this my surprise?
What's that?
Why are there donkeys in the road?
What do you mean, why are there donkeys?
Wait, are there gonna be donkeys where we're staying?
We're going to Donkey Town.
Donkey Town?
Yeah.
There's donkeys! How cool is that? Stuff is so cool!
Here, hold the camera.
Where are you going?
What do you mean, where am I going?
Where are you going?
I got you a surprise.
Stop! No way!
Why do you think we bought carrots?
No way! That's not why you bought carrots!
Yes, it is. I got carrots last week
So
for
you
you.
think they'll let me feed them?
Yeah.
No way!
Go feed a donkey.
No way! Wait, really?
Yeah.
No way, they're gonna let me feed them?
Yeah, go feed the donkey.
No, they're probably gonna run from me, aren't they?
Are we in a blind corner? Are we gonna get hit?
I don't know, but I need to put my shoes on.
Should we go up to our camp spot and come back?
No, I'm gonna go feed the donkey! Buddy, stay. Stay. Do you think they'll take it from me?
I don't know. Buddy, no.
That was awesome.
Ashley, your surprise is the town of Oatman
I love it!
is full of donkeys.
I'm so happy. I'm gonna...
Hey, buddy. Hey, donkey. Hey. All right, we gotta go. We gotta go to our camp spot. We'll come back.
Stop, they're so cool.
Well, now that we've gotten over the initial donkey sighting,
Excuse me, I'm not done. So excited.
we're gonna head up into the town of Oatman and see if we could find some more donkeys and see what this little town is like. It's on Route 66, so it should have a nice old kind of feel to it, I hope. And yeah, we're at a camp spot actually that's just outside of Oatman. It's really nice. It's another BLM spot. It's kind of up in the hills here. It's a little rainy today. I don't think we addressed that, but it's been raining all day today. But there's a bunch of cholla cactuses up here and a nice mountain view. And a lot of clouds right now, but hopefully it clears up later. Check it out.
I was gonna make an eon noise in the background.
Do it. Let's hear your eon.
But I thought maybe,
No, I want to hear it.
maybe let's keep it nice.
I want to hear your best donkey.
Alright. Eon!
No, you can do better than that.
No, I can't.
Make it longer. It's got to be like, "Eeyaw!" Go.
Do they actually even make that noise?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah.
I've never heard it.
Go.
Yeah!
Good attempt. We'll see you in town.
Yeah, you know what I got. Go show.
What's up?
Hey, watch it, bud. You too? Oh, you only just got pet shit. I don't have any food for you, just pets. Hey.
Look at him. Look at them just hanging out.
I don't have anything. I don't want any trouble. I don't want any trouble. Just leave me alone. Stop. Stop it.
Yeah, I wouldn't run. That's just weird.
Leave me alone, donkey. This is the Mine Museum.
It smells like... I don't know what it smells.
Probably smells like skeleton.
You're such a good girl. You gonna dance? Dance. She'll give you 5.
You can do it?
Yep, get real close and say, give me 5. Ready? Now, don't give it to her yet. I'll give her away. She has to have the treat after she does the trick. Get close.
Ready? Give me 5. Okay, wrong foot.
That's okay.
There we go.
She's counting. Okay, here, I'll get her to count. You good girl, gonna count. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. One more. I'll take
Aw,
it.
that's cool.
Isn't she cute?
Cool. This is, I forgot her name already.
Scarlet.
Scarlet? Is it? Oh, what a name. This is Scarlet. And she dances. It's pretty cool. Should we show them?
Just taking a stroll.
We're taking a walk. I told Chat she's not happy.
No, you don't get both.
Oh, they probably fight. That's fine. That was so funny.
Well, we're back now. Ashley, how did you enjoy Oatman?
Super fun. So fun. It's a cool little western old looking town. And there's just donkeys everywhere. So funny, one of the donkeys was banging on one of the store doors so that they'd open it and they'd feed him. It's pretty cool. Oh, and then one bit me, you know, so you gotta be careful out there with the donkeys. They chase you. They literally chase you around. But super fun. Thanks for the surprise, babe.
Awesome stop on Route 66. And we'll have to figure out what our plans are next. Well, Oatman was a very cool stop. Definitely lived up to my expectations, and I think Ashley enjoyed it. And now we have moved on a little farther down the road. Our plans were to go to Las Vegas, but Mr. Coronavirus is messing that up a little bit. But we have a campground reservation in Vegas anyway, so we're gonna go for it starting tomorrow. But we moved on from Oatman, had that awesome BLM spot there too. And then we came to this spot, which is on Lake Mojave in Lake Mead National Recreation Area in Nevada. Nevada, that's state number, what is it, 27?
27?
I think 27. That's my best guess. A good haul, buddy.
What are you?
So yeah, we're here now. It's another awesome spot. I wish we had more time here, but turns out thanks to Mr. Coronavirus.
We just found out today. Got a little Park Service guy come home to our door and told us that they were closing it down by tomorrow afternoon. Everyone's gotta go.
Yeah, so we were planning to leave anyway, but turns out we couldn't even stay here now because we wanted to. I guess Nevada is closing down all free camping spots if they have a bathroom. So since this one has a pit toilet right there, it's getting closed down. So a lot of people here have no place to go now. But anyways, we're okay. We're not affected too much by it. It's a beautiful spot. We'll give you a little look at what it's like here. It's right on this lake, which is awesome. And yeah, moving into Vegas next. Maybe we'll see some shots of how empty Vegas is or something. Who knows?
Yeah, I hear a lot of younger people are still partying on the streets, but I don't know how true that is, so I guess we'll find out for ourselves.
Yeah, should be pretty slow, but hopefully still a good time.
So we're supposed to stay there for 2 weeks, but we might cut it short depending how boring it gets if everything's really closed. So yeah, I'm excited though to see.
And I think that's where we're going to wrap up this video and let you see the spot we're on the lake. This is actually, you know, this spot and the last spot are probably two of our best free camping spots, I think.
Yeah.
What do you think?
The one with the donkeys and the sun? Yeah. I mean, we've stayed at other beaches and stuff, but the weather was never nice. So I guess this one beats it only because it's nice out.
Yeah, so
you know?
Short video, but at least you got to see two of our best sites.
Yeah.
And catch up with you in Vegas.